विल लाईक आपण ना एका वेळेस आन्सर बोलू लाईक नादूर सेट ओके फायर और नॉट टुडे नादूर सेट
फायर.
अरे मी बोलायचं होतं सॉरी ठीक आहे मी ऑल्सो फायर
फायर.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing great. So this is my friend Sonali. Today we are going to do this and that challenge. This or that. This and that.
Okay.
This that. Acha, so we have sorted the questions from Pinterest, and some are related to like random stuffs, and some are related to K-pop.
BTS.
Yeah. Let's start.
First.
Iced coffee or iced latte? Tea.
Tea. Coffee. Iced coffee.
Iced tea.
I'm not tea.
I love iced tea. Warm bath or hot shower? Oh.
Let's skip this.
नहीं तरी करना choose.
Okay, warm. Not hot.
I like cold showers.
Huh,
That is
okay.
not there in yours.
Huh.
Sunset or sunrise?
Both.
I like sunset.
I like
Sunrise के लिए बहुत जल्दी उठना पड़ता है.
lazy one.
Rainy days or sunny days?
Nothing.
Rainy. Daydreamer or sleepless nights? Oh बाप.
Daydreamer.
But you are more like sleepless night person.
But I'm same with that daydream. What about you?
Nice. I like to daydream.
Actually,
Yeah. Swim in the ocean or swim in the pool?
I can't swim.
Ocean. I love ocean. Outside or inside?
Outside.
Drinking ko.
Drink one.
Reading or watching?
Watching.
Reading. Bright colors or dark colors?
Right.
Dark. I love black. Music or poetry?
Poetry.
Music. Vintage or modern?
Vintage. Or
Vintage.
mirror something.
Vintage. Modern is like okay. So this is Netflix or YouTube?
YouTube. Who's gonna pay subscription for every month?
Chindi. Phone call or text? Phone
call.
TikTok or Instagram?
Instagram.
Android or iOS? iOS.
Android.
But laptop or tablet?
Laptop.
Mine also laptop. Mac or Windows?
Windows.
Yeah, Windows. I don't have Mac. इतना पैसा नहीं है. Amazon or eBay?
Nothing, I guess.
I prefer Amazon. eBay I haven't used. Venmo or PayPal? दोनों तीनों नहीं
Nothing.
केले. Spotify or Apple Music?
Spotify.
Audiobooks or podcast?
Both.
I like podcast. Or
I like
books.
both.
I like to feel the books in my hands.
Reader person.
Oh, next is BTS songs. This is this
Exciting moment.
yeah.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Let's try to take the name together. What's
Yeah.
that?
Okay.
ठीक है. First, fire or not today?
Fire.
Dimple or lost?
Lost.
Dimple. Okay. DNA or pied paper?
Pied
DNA.
paper.
Oh, आपण किती वेगळे आहोत. Cypher 3 or Cypher 4?
Cypher 4.
हो मॅच. चलो बेस्ट ऑफ मी और दूर से.
Best of me.
बेस्ट ऑफ मी.
Best of me.
स्प्रिंग डे और सेव मी.
Spring day.
Actually I like both, but let's go with spring day.
Hmm.
Boys with fun or boys in love?
Boy in love. Boy in love.
Boy in love. Narayoppa. My lyrics not mine.
It's
This
okay.
or that.
Okay.
Love myself or microscomus?
Love myself.
Microscomus.
एखादं म्हणजे एकत्र म्हणतात स्वतःच थांबते.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Again with this.
Mic drop and outro. Mic drop.
Micro. Serendipity in life.
Serendipity. Euphoria, stay gold.
Euphoria.
Black swan or fake love?
Black
Fake
swan.
love.
Black
Fake
swan.
love. Singularity or winter wear?
Winter wear.
पहिले आवडायचं मला winter wear, पण ठीक आहे आता
Still
singularity.
with that.
Okay. This is interesting.
What?
Would you rather like answer, okay? Would you rather have lot of money or lot of friends?
Lot of friends. Because I am not having lot of friends right now.
So that's no go. I will have lot of money. Always be sleepy or always be hungry.
I'm sleepy person mostly.
Yeah, I'll prefer sleep.
Actually,
You hug a porcupine or an octopus?
not at all.
I think octopus would be little like jelly,
Yeah.
and it will hug me with 8 hands.
I'm not going to prefer anything.
Octopus. Be able to freeze time or go back in time.
Go back in time.
हाँ, ना दो. Go back in time. Smell like a skunk or oink like a pig.
Oink.
Oink,
Like
oink.
gin pig.
Oink, oink.
Oink, oink, oink.
What was the last thing you searched for on your phone last night?
Last night,
खोटं नको बोलू.
I didn't search
मी
anything.
लगेच हिस्ट्री बघेन.
Please go and check. I didn't search anything.
खरंच.
Actually,
Okay, I searched BTS teaser yesterday.
it's already. I got a notification, so I didn't want to search that. I don't want to search that.
Okay.
No need.
Okay, by the way, butter is coming now.
Yes.
Why
Only
are
2
we-
days.
Why are we promoting that?
It's okay. We are army. We decided.
But what do most people think true about you, but it is not true about you? You tell mine, I'll tell yours.
एवढा काय विचार करावा लागतोय तुला? विचार करते की कुठला सांगू?
कुठलंही सांग रँडमली.
You are so sweet person.
ते खोटं आहे. क्वेश्चन काय? व्हॉट डू मोस्ट पीपल थिंक इज ट्रू अबाउट यू बट इज नॉट ट्रू अबाउट.
Okay.
म्हणजे तुला म्हणायचं मी लोकांना वाटतं मी स्वीट आहे पण मी स्वीट नाही.
Not at all.
हां, आय एम स्वीट. आय लव्ह स्वीट्स ऑल्सो. ठीक आहे, तू स्वतःच सांग. एवढे कन्फ्युज होते.
Extrovert, I guess.
अच्छा, पीपल थिंक दॅट्स ट्रू बट यू आर नॉट हां, दॅट इज राईट. लाईक तिला असं बघून वाटतं ती खूप हॅपी गो लकी पर्सन असेल, बट लाईक
What I'm not.
social person
हां.
असेल, but in general like she likes to be at home. She likes to keep her phone away. Yeah, and
My phone lost for almost a day.
yeah,
Actually.
she was हां, ठीक आहे म्हणजे.
What
आणि
about
माझं हां, what is think is true about you but it's not. Like I have what do you say, I'm very sweet असं लोकांना वाटतं. म्हणजे I am sweet but I am also equivalently rude sometimes. हां ना.
Correct.
हे खरं आहे म्हणजे की इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द
Depend on situation.
ओके. डू यू कवर युअर आईज ड्युरिंग अ स्कॅरी पार्ट इन
Horror
हॉरर मूवी?
I don't watch that.
I cover my eyes, but I still watch horror movies. Yeah. What would you do if you were opposite gender for a week? Oh. मी तर
What do you wear? Special baggy clothes.
baby. Whatever. हां, मी ना कॅफेत जाऊन खूप तास गेम खेळले. लाईक आणि आई लोक ओरडत पण नाही त्याला. आणि हो बॅगी.
I didn't think
I
about
still
so
wear
much,
baggy
but
clothes.
no,
but-
I didn't know.
हां.
So I would prefer that, and maybe finding something new stuff for do, because I didn't know anything much.
Okay. What is the most childish thing you still do?
Watching cartoons.
She watches cartoons. What I do is, I am a child only now. मी मोठीच नाही झाली. Okay. What was the most embarrassing moment in public?
Most embarrassing moment in public.
माझ्याकडे खूप आहे.
I don't have that much, I guess.
असं कधी नाही झालंय का तू पाडली आणि कोणाला कळलं नाही?
No, I never done that before.
Okay. नाही.
I don't have anything like that.
मी खूपदा पब्लिकमध्ये पडली आहे. लाईक रँडमली. लाईक आय हॅव वोर हिल्स अँड आणि मी अशीच पडून जाते. मला खूप हसायला येतं पण माझ्या आजूबाजूचे फार एम्बॅरेस्ड असतात त्या गोष्टी.
Not with me. I didn't do anything like that.
Okay, so that's it
For
for
today.
yeah. Hope you enjoyed our this or that. We enjoyed shooting it.
Yeah, like
It was fun. Huh.
and it's so random. It's like I came here and she's like, let's do this.
Huh. She just came to have a coffee with me and was like, let's shoot a video. Okay, that's it for the vlog, guys. Hope you enjoyed this fun, this or that challenge edition.
Challenge,
So,
not this or that, just say this.
this or that edition.
This or that. And if you like this, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And comment down if you want to see the second part.
Actually,
We are very much excited to do the second part. But सांगा तुम्ही कसं वाटलं ते. Okay. Annyeong.
with boys in love. Boy in love.
love it.
No, boy with love is oh my. Boy in love and boys with fun is 3 different songs now.
I don't know. ठीक है.